Around 9:30 in the evening, the temperature was still around 61 degrees, which for the 16th of December is really rare. There was a squall line of storms coming from the southwest. Tornado warnings, tornado watches have been issued for northeastern Iowa, southwest Wisconsin, and for western Wisconsin. And damage had been reported. The wind picked up as the storm approached, and at one point I could hear a large clunk, and the tree that you saw sitting by the windows branches had come and hit the roof. Didn't really see any of the other damage until after daybreak.